In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record journal entries in Freshbooks, a fundamental task for organizing your financial information. Let's dive into the process to help you better manage your accounting system efficiently. First, you want to start by navigating to the accounting section within Freshbooks. This is your hub for all things financial. Once you're there, find the Journal Entries option on the sidebar. Clicking on this will take you directly to where you need to be for your next step. You're now ready to create a journal entry, which is crucial for tracking the finances effectively. Look for the Create Journal Entry button, usually located prominently on the screen, and give it a click. This is where the real work begins. Start by filling in the fundamental details. You'll need to add the date for this entry, which allows you to track when the transaction occurred. Then, go ahead and assign a name to the entry. A clear and descriptive name will always help you find and understand the entry later on. Now let's provide context by filling in the description field. This step is about explaining the purpose of the entry, offering clarity for anyone reviewing it in the future. It's about telling the story of the transaction, which is helpful when reflecting on your finances down the road. Next, make sure you choose the appropriate currency. If you're dealing with international transactions or looking to maintain clear records, selecting the right currency is critical. Afterward, select the appropriate accounts from the drop-down menu. Freshbooks provides a variety, so pick the ones reflecting your transaction accurately. Choosing the right accounts is essential for categorizing your financial movements effectively. Then you'll need to enter the amount. This can go in either the debit or credit field. Remember, you must balance your entry by ensuring there's at least one debit and one credit, just like balancing scales. This prevents any discrepancies in your accounts. If you find that you need to record entries across multiple accounts, don't worry. You can add more by simply clicking Add a Line. This allows you to include additional details as necessary, maintaining comprehensive records of your transactions. Before you wrap up this entry, it's crucial to ensure the sum of your debits equals the sum of your credits. This checks that your records are balanced. If they don't match, Freshbooks won't allow you to save your entry. It's a built-in safety feature that helps prevent errors. Once everything adds up, click Save to complete the journal entry process. You've now successfully created a balanced and clear journal entry in Freshbooks. There you have it. With these steps, managing your financial records in Freshbooks becomes a much easier and more organized task, facilitating smoother financial management for your business operations.